guys, welcome back. Today I'm gonna try fishing in the ring. Many people, when they go fishing, they just say, it's too hot, it's too cold, or it's too wet, and they don't want to go fishing. But if you're passionate about this, you pretty much just go every day whenever you can. So I want to see whether I can actually catch some carp in the ring. Sometimes they become more active. I'll tell you why later. But let's see what happens. I'm glad that the ring actually eased up a little bit when I was setting up the rod. So let's see what happens now. Oh, fish on. Look at that splash on the water. It must be a feisty one. Let's get to work. The ring is actually getting heavy now, so I have to put on my hoodie. Okay guys, a rainy day is actually pouring down at the moment, but I got a carp. It's a nice big carp too, so not too bad, hey? The ring actually sometimes make the fish more active because it provides more oxygen to the water, and it also kind of cools the water down in summer days as well. So I think whether your rainy days fishing trip is successful or not, largely depending on whether you're at the right place at the right time. Sometimes it's hit and miss, but I do find that it can be quite productive before or at the beginning of a rainstorm. But once it gets very heavy, or after the rain anyways, you will find it turns pretty quiet for a little while. So why not give it a go yourself? Please like and subscribe. I will see you next time.